Okay, so this is how to insert a picture and caption it using your Google Doc. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Insert menu. I'm in my doc here, and I'm going to insert an image. I'm going to upload it from my computer. You could be sending it in from your drive, or you can be searching it on the web. Any of those would work. And so I'm just going to send in this picture of my dog. There she is. Let's Scout. I'm going to click on top of it. I'm going to shrink the size a bit so it doesn't take up the whole page in my document. Now you can move, once you wrap the text like this, you can move it and the text will flow around your picture. So I'm going to click on it while those little corners are on there, and I'm going to move the document a little bit within the text so we have the text sort of flowing all around it. And I'm going to place the dog near where the dog is mentioned in the text, which the dog isn't mentioned at all in this text, but this is just an example. So I'm going to move it down maybe a little bit more, like right about here. So there we go. Now I want to put a caption underneath this and name my dog. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go up to the Insert menu again. I'm going to pull down to where it says Drawing and New, and then when you're in this drawing box, you pull out a text box, you click on that once, and then you open it up, and it doesn't have to be real big if what you're going to write in it is, I'm also going to change the font here or change the size. I'm just going to change the size. I'm using Verdana 12, so I'm going to turn this into an Arial 10 size. I can also change this to Verdana if it's available down there. So I'll just put it in Verdana 10 so it's a slightly different, and I'm going to type this is my dog Scout, period. That's a sentence. So, and now I'm going to shrink this up a little bit too, so the text box is, don't want that. Alright, I want it on one line, but I want it also sort of, so this is sort of centered up a little bit within my box. And then I'm going to hit Save and Close. When I hit Save and Close, it will insert it into your document. And so it put it above the picture, but all you have to do is just drag this down. You need to make it wrap, the text wrap again, just like you would wrap the text around your picture. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to now move this object so it's under my picture, roughly centered up on my picture like this. Alright, and there you go. Now, it's taking up a little bit of space like that, so one of the things you can do is that you can shrink this top down maybe, and I don't like that, and then maybe lower that a little bit. But what you can do is you can sort of work with this a little bit to move the whole thing up or down so that it effectively doesn't leave like a gap like that in your line. Let's see here. How about move it down? I guess my best move is to move it up so it's really flush up on the actual image like that, and probably just be satisfied that it is like that. Or maybe I can move my image up slightly and move this a little bit as well. That looks a little bit better. So there you go. Picture, caption, it's that easy. Not too hard, but work with it a little bit, move things around a little bit, and you can make it look as good as you want.